standing here today in the middle of my brand new kitchen. This kitchen was dramatically different than what you see today. It was a kitchen via the 1950s. We had a wall over here. Norm came in initially to measure and make design suggestions. We had previously called in several other designers, but no design matched the one that we have today. Norm made tons of positive suggestions. He suggested we get a double pantry that holds more than I ever could have dreamed of. Many positive suggestions in terms of space. This peninsula worked out perfectly. The two Lazy Susans, suggestions about lighting. I didn't even ask for the under cabinet lighting, but it's made all the difference in our workspace. We still have great eat-in space. We couldn't be happier with the entire project. From start to finish, every detail was handled. Ruth in the design shop took care of technical issues. If we ever had a problem, she took care of deliveries. Communication was a snap with Norm and the entire team. We just couldn't be happier. We got several referrals from neighbors, and they were all right. Norm and his team, Regency Design and Build, are truly experts.